Alright guys, so I was still working on the glove compartment, but since I kinda detached this and I had to put it back, I had to detach the bottom part right there. So I'm gonna give you a few quick steps how to remove it, since I already removed it. First of all, it has this part right here. This part right here. You put one of the something screwdriver or something. I'd suggest you guys have one of these plastic wedges or whatever picks, whatever you guys want to call it. Put it all around it, and it has two clips right there. That's pretty much it. Your HHR Chevy 2011. And then it has this clip. It has this one right here, the chrome piece. You also just put the plastic wedge around it, and make sure you put something softer. When you do that, you lift this up. After that, it has two small screws. These ones right here. It has these two screws right here. Let me give you the exact size that I used. Or what the hell? Where did I leave the tool? Okay, it's right here. It's a 7mm. I used a 7mm socket. And it has them right here. It has both of them. 1, 2. And the rest of it, you just pry your wedge on the edges. And I went ahead and washed these pieces because I'm already cleaning it, so might as well. I did a small cleaning in here. Everything looks good now. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back. Since I couldn't place this back, right here. I'll let you guys know why and how to do it. Oh shit, look. There's some dirtiness right there. There's a spray right there. I might not be the most detailed cleaner, but I mean, I'll still get the job done. But so yeah guys, you align this piece with the other one and you start pressing on the clips, and there you go. You should have your stereo dash like that. Perfect right there. So you gotta remove this part of the bottom one due to the fact that it has a bottom lip right here. You can tell right here, and you won't be able to put that due to the two switches connections to the cigarette 12-volt connection and the rear windshield. So you won't be able to unless you unplug those. But if you unplug those, they won't work. So I suggest you guys remove that, and you guys are free to play with that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean this because my mother-in-law bought this car and it looks a little dirty. So since I'm already here, I'm gonna clean it for her. Give it 100% good, you know. And so far for the good compartment, I have that on hold, but I'll be working with it. So I'm gonna remove it. It has a socket right here. I believe it's a 10mm as well. Okay, right here it has a clip. Push it down, and it has one over here, I guess. Oh yeah, it has another one too. I'm gonna go ahead and get my screwdriver. Oh well, actually, this part, my little pry bar, and there we go. As you can tell, I removed it already. So I'm gonna work with this right here. But first of all, let me clean this part. You guys are gonna watch me clean this part right here. I'm gonna try to do my best to keep it nice and clean. I personally use this quick interior detail cleaner. It's actually really good, and it smells good actually. Don't be sniffing that thing too much, guys. So many of you guys are gonna end up hallucinating. I don't know, some shit. Don't tell anybody that I told you to sniff that thing, because I don't want to be blamed for that shit. I mean, This week in my hometown, it's been a little crazy. Oh shit, man. Something tells me I should take this part off. How do you remove it? Good question. Should I remove it? I should. Can I remove it? We'll see. Actually, we'll see what we can do right there. But it was pretty hot this week, man. There was a local fire. There was pretty fucking shit. You guys want to need 2 small screwdrivers. Let's see how this one goes. In my shoulder part. Here, what else I have? So I bought this kit off eBay. It's been pretty good so far. I mean, it has 2 little pry bars, has a few wedges, has a few clip, and I don't know what this one's for, but they should come useful. And this is the main one I liked. This clip remover. It's actually pretty useful. I mean, I don't know about the whole design. I mean, it should make it easy, you know. I'm a little anxious to use it, so far I'm gonna keep it right here. I don't know what these keys are for, but I believe we're the stereo removal or something like that, right? You know, we'll find out as we go or work on cars. Okay, yep. So it has two clips on that side. And when you get those 2 clips, make sure you put something right here. And it has 2 clips on the other side. So we'll see how that goes. Oh shit. I don't want it to lock on the other side. So my cousin Miki is the one recording me today. Not that little one that was putting her fingers on the camera. She was funny. She was like, oh, I got tired from recording. I'm like, hey, you said you wanted to help me record, huh? I'm like, back me up. Just hold on a few more minutes. So like, I can't. I'm tired. That was funny. You're not getting tired, Mickey, are you?
No.
Okay, perfect. Because I am. But a good thing I finished. So I guess we lifted that up. So as you guys could tell, there's a little dirtiness right there and right here. So I should be working on that. I should get it on. Yeah. So yeah, guys. I want to clean this fast. Oh my god, that's just sticky. I hope that's coffee. It looks brown, so I would be concerned there. With some other type of color, man. So I got great news, guys. Well, in a way. I miss paintballing. I've been hoping to go paintballing, and I wish I could paintball. Mickey has been one of the people that wants to go with me. One of the persons that wants to go. My little cousins. I mean, I've taken a few people. My friend, the camera squad members have taken a few guys too. And every time they see us, they want to go. I mean, my friends went without me, so that sucks for me. But I have good news, guys. Beautiful news. My daughter was born last week. So, oh my god, I fell in love with her. The minute I saw her, I fell in love with her. She was screaming. I was happy, so happy. I mean, I'm still happy. I'm just saying, like, at that moment, I gotta be honest with you guys. I even teared when I met my daughter. I was tearing because I shed a tear of joy. I was so happy looking at my wife, looking at her, my little family, you know. It was something I honestly, from my point of view, man, I mean, something I can't really explain, but the joy that I felt, the joy, the love for my child, my wife. My wife did good. She mostly did everything from the planning of buying her things, be prepared. Make sure you guys are having a kid, planning to have a kid, make sure you talk about it with your partner a few times. And make sure you guys take PJs, a few pajamas or some comfortable clothing, because I only took 2 sweats. Due to the coronavirus, I couldn't leave the hospital, so I was kind of stuck there with my wife. We were both stuck. I mean, kind of sucked, you know. I mean, I wish part of the family could have visited, you know. It was an experience, you know, that we both enjoyed together, but I mean, I wished family members were able to join us, especially because, I mean, on top of meeting my baby, we kind of needed a hand too. We needed some rest as well. I was trying to stay up with my wife middle of the night, snoring. It was tiring, you know. I mean, I don't regret it. I'm just saying it was tiring. To be honest, it would have been cool to have someone backing us up, you know. Yeah. So far, look at that, guys. We have cleaned that part. I think I'm gonna need some leather for that cleaner. I'm gonna try to get the knob a little clean right here. It doesn't spray my face. I think I'm wearing my glasses. Mickey, you not getting tired?
No.
Don't think wrong, guys. I'm just trying to do my best to clean this shit, okay? I'm getting my shit like that in my face. Okay, guys. Fuck, I never uploaded those last videos on the paintball, man. We took some new guys and they said they actually liked it and all. But we never actually uploaded. I never took the chance to upload the videos due to my job. I was getting married at the time, so it was a little stressing because, I mean, you know, when was the last time I went paintballing? Shit. Feels like it's been forever. And me and my wife were getting married. We were planning to get married. I mean, I was working. She needed my help with the planning. I was trying to help, but at the same time, no, I really don't. No, I didn't really know how to help her, so I would just tell her, you know, that looks nice. I would like this. I would like that. I would show her a few examples of things. I mean, to be honest, she did a beautiful job in our wedding. She did everything perfectly, you know, like I enjoyed it. to family, relatives, friends. Everything out turned out well, to be honest. I was so happy that day. I had my closest family and friends together. Oh, it was beautiful. I told my wife, imagine if we ever have a kid. And look, we have a beautiful baby girl. I usually don't post pictures of her, because I only show my family and friends, my closest family and friends, pictures and videos of her. I'm not the type of person that is going too crazy on social media, showing off. I mean, I do post shit, not of my baby, you know. So there we go, guys. Let's go ahead and put this part. It looks a little dirty, and it looks better than what it was. But let me give it a clean. Let me get it a clean. Okay, shit. This is not way. I'm getting all this cleaning products all over my legs. So there's no big deal. I could always shower some again and again and again until I get tired. But yeah, guys, I'm hoping I'm not getting you guys bored with my talk while I'm doing all this shit, you know. So what's the cleaning product that you guys use to detail your car or to clean it? If you guys clean it, if you guys take your car or call someone to clean it, I mean, that doesn't count because you guys ain't gonna know shit. You're only gonna believe what they tell you. Oh yeah, I use Armor, or I use this product on your car, you know. The best one out in the market, you know. Which, to be honest, I don't even know which one's the best product. I just go by what I like, how it smells, how it cleans, how it shines, and all that, you know. And I'm not a. I used to keep my car really clean a lot when I used to have time when I was single. Now that I got married, man, you know, nothing wrong with it, you know. I dedicate a lot of time to my wife, family. I try to make room for my friends, which my friends actually cap on me for that, because we hardly see you now, and it's true, you know. They are right, you know. I missed my friends. Camouflage. Nothing wrong. Everything's cool. I still talk to them. Still see them every now and then. So yeah, there we go, guys. Oh shit. So on this one, there's a trick, guys. There's a trick on this one. Where the fuck's the key at? Oh, okay, there. Remember, this is my mother-in-law's car, okay? Don't judge me. Okay. You make sure. Put your parking brake. I don't want you guys to put your parking brake. Okay. Move your gear back. Place your thing right here. Place it from the front first. Then make sure you hit your clips. The clips are located. And there, you see? It's looking good so far. Everything's looking good. Okay, now park your car. Well, I kind of fucked up, I think. No, I actually did good. We're good. So I went and washed these parts. Everything looks good and clean, you know. I mean, I did disassemble that, so fuck it. Okay, so here we are. You place it right there, then you just press the right here, and there you go. Look, nice clean parts. Now for the chrome part, it looks like it's been through hell, but I mean, it's all good, you know. It's all good as long as you remove all the stained pieces. I mean, she bought it, and I mean, I don't know from who, but it looks like this person had a mess, or actually had an accident. I mean, we all go through accidents. So I kind of stuttered on that one. I don't know why. Here we go. Okay. There we go. you guys think? There we go. Perfect clean part. Okay. So now, just like I told you guys. Oh shit! I forgot, guys. On this part, I forgot to put the 7mm. You didn't tell me anything. Oh wait, okay, you guys told me anything. Mickey, you should have told me something, bro. Mickey could have told me something, guys, huh? Okay, where's my little plastic wedge? Ah, shit. Oh, the one that fell down. Found it? Found it. This motherfucker is hiding. Okay. So, okay, guys. Pedestrians walking. Okay, there we go. Okay. So next time, guys, make sure you don't do that mistake. Guys, make sure you don't do that mistake. Put your two 7mm screws. You don't want to have a console without screws, you know. Watch, everything's gonna be rattling like crazy and shit. Fucking. Okay, so. Not the best tools, but you know, they work. They work. Not minding it. Could have been using my Milwaukee or Ryobi drills and my Craftsman ratchet or something. I mean, I just have this one just to do the work. As long as it does the work, I'm good with it. I think we're good. Yep, we're good right there, guys. Okay, so you go ahead and put this place back. There we go. Perfect, guys. Okay, now back to this one over here. Make sure you guys got your tools. Just put on those clips that I told you guys. Right there. Right there, one. Make sure you pry on those. There we go. And I suppose these are it, so we'll see what happens. I should have used my tools on this one. This one's a little hard right here. So we actually got the cleaning. I'm gonna spray some of that in there. Hopefully we can get some of that dirt off of it. Get it soaked in wet. Yeah. And I messed up. I went too far. Try again. And those clips. Oh, there we go. Shit. I should know that was gonna happen. Didn't pay attention. Remember, guys, pay attention, please. Pay attention. There we go, guys. So, right here. See which one is it goes up or does it go down? I think it goes down, but okay, with my little screwdriver. Make sure you guys don't lose your tools like me, man. I'll try to do it without my little screwdriver. Okay, so there we go. Almost there. You can tell right there, it's almost there. It's not budging up. Okay, so this is easier. Just insert your right here in this part. Just insert your wedge right there. It looks like that's gonna be easier. Right there. Right there. Put your wedge in there. Your wedge right there. It's almost there. Ah, shoot. Okay. Okay, it looks easier than what it is. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing is impossible, guys. I sound like those motivators, man.